Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to set up allowed experience on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to set up allowed experience on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to set up allowed experience on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to set up allowed experience on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Setting up allowed experience on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options in left corner. Click on button having three dots. Now click on settings. Click on parental controls. Select allowed experience from here. From here you can read guidelines of selecting allowed experience. There you go. If you wanted to know how to set up allowed experience on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.